Jag la det där.
Usually the lab, people from the lab would go off and do outrageous things to celebrate a PhD. I'm the one staying out till about 2 in the morning.
So we at the committee, we had discussion about just the 4 years work that we've done, say in general, and also the quality of your thesis, and the discussion that you have, and questioning and answering everything. And finally, I would say that we have made a decision. And I'm pleased to tell you that you have passed your PhD work. Congratulations, and here you keep a copy of the paper.
And since it has been a thesis about how to use material wisely and reduce waste, we have now invented a package where we don't have any extra paper. You just get it directly. Isn't that an excellent next development for how to minimize waste in Sweden? And maybe you know what it is. So otherwise, you are allowed to. Congratulations.
But it is not on landfill, you know.
I don't know what's inside. First, I would like to thank the committee, Genevieve, all this way, Limon, Professor Mohammad also, our colleagues, and my supervisor for all the support and the time.
It was fun. Just the beginning.
Yeah, my colleagues, students, and the teacher. Yeah, I'm very grateful to you all. Thank you.
Thank you.
I thought he's going to recycle it, so now I'm like, yeah, I'm going to give it to the next PhD. Well, you keep rolling. You were graduating how much
Nej, jag snackar om det världen som
And my name.
Okay. So how do you see yourself? Your name?
Okay.
Okay, we say thank you.
Yeah.
Okay. Are we?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, so we have been very happy to have Mr. Aljaradin here for 4 years, and the work that he presented today was actually a very big step forward in his field. So we are very happy about his work, and I'm sure he can make a good contribution to his country when he returns, because solid waste management is an important issue in Jordan as well as in Sweden. So this is a very important progress that we have seen presented here today.
That's okay.
And in fact, Mr. Aljaradin, he was been one of the most sort of foremost PhD students that we've had here over the last few years. So we're going to miss him not only as a researcher but actually as a person as well. So it will be a sad moment for us when he returns to Jordan. But the luck is yours. So I'm sure you will get a very successful employer in your system in Jordan. Thank you.
Yeah, dear Mohammad, now it's 2 o'clock in the afternoon on your dissertation day, and I can conclude that you passed, and it was no problems at all to get the committee to give you best credits. It has been a pleasure being the supervisor for you for the entire time. And you have contributed very much with lots of good ideas and a lot of energy in the work. So I have just enjoyed the development as long as it has lasted, and I very much liked your dissertation and also the thesis presentation you did today. But however, as you all know, everyone knows in research that it's only the beginning you start with. You are laying the foundation for the great new understanding that will come in the future. So this is one little brick in the wall where you have built, and hope to see you many times in the future. Dr. Mohammad Aljaradin, he presented his thesis towards sustainable solid waste management in Jordan today at Lund University in Lund, Sweden. In the thesis he has written about different aspects of solid waste management, and particularly how the solid waste management system operates in Jordan. And looking into all the results that he has presented, it's interesting, I would like to say, to highlight that first of all, that there is a lack of clear environmental solid waste law for Jordan, and that means that the policymakers needs to address and develop a modern solid waste management law for Jordan in order to how to declare how the country should be organized when it comes to solid waste management. Secondly, he shows that the current waste management situation requires lots of improvements, which however can be implemented. For instance, he indicates that there is a strong potential to increase the recycling and to increase the composting and digestion of organic waste that contributes to more than 50% of the total solid waste flow in Jordan. And thirdly, he shows a very interesting economical opportunity, because if waste is handled properly, there will be good reduction of greenhouse gases, and these greenhouse gases, they can be used in the greenhouse gas trade, cap and trade system. So there can be economical benefits for the country of Jordan if that is addressed properly. So there are many interesting opportunities to go towards a sustainable sustainable solid waste management situation in Jordan, as he outlines in his thesis.
That's enough. It's finished. Thank you.
My name is Kenneth Persson, and I work as professor at the Lund University in Lund, Sweden. And I have been supervising the work that Mr. Mohammad Aljaradin has presented today in the thesis towards sustainable solid waste management in Jordan.
My name is Hans Hansen, and I'm professor and the head of the Department of Water Resources Engineering at Lund University, Sweden. And this is the department for which Mr. Mohammad Aljaradin today defended his thesis towards sustainable solid waste management in Jordan. My name is Hans Hansen, and I'm professor and head of Department of Water Resources Engineering at Lund University in Sweden.